It's a massive allegation that is being leveled by BJP leader Narayan Rane. Narayan Rane says that Disha Salian, the former manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, was raped and murdered. This is an explosive development in Disha's case. Narayan Rane also says that the autopsy report shows that Disha Salian had injuries on her private parts. Of course, these revelations or claims are being made by Narayan Rane. He goes on to say that the government is trying to save the culprits, the Maharashtra government he means, and he's also saying that there's some sort of a corruption that the government is involved in. BJP cites Disha's post-mortem reports. Let's go across to Arunil, who's joining us with more details. That's a very, very big allegation that Narayan Rane is leveling against the Maharashtra government. He says Disha Salian was raped and murdered, and her autopsy report shows that she had injuries in the private parts. These allegations are being leveled, claims being made by Narayan Rane.
Well, these are claims by Narayan Rane, Swati, but explosive claims that Narayan Rane, basically senior BJP leader, senior leader from Maharashtra as well, is making over here. What he's saying is like everyone gathered at Dino Moria, actor Dino Moria's place, and then went to Sushant's residence. That is what we are again reiterating, saying that it is the claim that was made by Narayan Rane, and also basically saying that Disha Salian, who was the former manager of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, she didn't commit suicide, but she was murdered. And he again goes on to say that there was some injury. Autopsy reports show that she had injuries on her private parts as well. So basically also saying that she was raped. These are some explosive claims that Narayan Rane, the BJP leader, also a senior leader, former chief minister of Maharashtra as well, he is making over here. And basically he spoke to he addressed to the media via his social media account and spoke about all this. And the Ranes are also claiming that they have some kind of evidence to prove this as well. So we will be awaiting those evidence.
Let's play out that reaction of Narayan Rane. Arunil, stay on with us.
पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट है वो आप कोर्ट में भी तो दे सकते हैं. पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आप बोल रहे हैं कि दिशा सालिन की बदली गई है, वो आप कोर्ट पे सबमिट कर सकते हैं. और दिशा सालिन के परिवार का ये कहना है कि कोई भी हादसा नहीं हुआ, उन्होंने पुलिस को कोई भी कंप्लेंट देने से मना किया है.
उनके दबाव है किसका? जब आईपीएस ऑफिसर को क्वारंटाइन कर सकते आते ही है तो बेचारी गरीब फैमिली होगी, प्रेशर आज क्या होगा. अभी उन लोग समझते मर गई, अभी आपने को क्या मिलने वाला है, उससे चुप बैठा अच्छा है.
सर, पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट जो कोर्ट में आप सबमिट कर सकते हैं,
जिधर आवश्यक है उधर सबमिट करेंगे.
All right, Nitish Rane, BJP leader, also an MLA, is joining us on the broadcast. Let's go across to him. Nitish Rane, we were just playing out that reaction of your father. Narayan Rane is alleging that Disha Salian was raped and murdered, and that there's pressure on the family of Disha Salian. That is why they are not demanding an inquiry.
Well, even I heard that in his press conference, and he is an ex-chief minister of Maharashtra and a very responsible leader. I'm very sure he has certain information. On the basis of that, he's made that statement.
All right, Nitish, in fact, are you privy to the autopsy report that your father is talking about? Because he says in the autopsy report, it's very clear that there were injuries on Disha Salian's private parts. That's why these claims are being made.
See, as he rightly said in his statement, we will obviously disclose it to the right authority, because if there is any information like this, and which obviously will help in getting justice to Disha and Sushant, we will definitely share it with the right authority.
Also, so your father is hinting that there was some sort of a gathering at Sushant's place, because he's saying that initially people gathered at Dino Moria's place, then they went to Sushant's place. He's also talking about the presence of some politician. When are you planning to hand over this autopsy report or the details that you have to the authorities?
See, about this party which you mentioned on the 13th, it is just not my father, but also Mr. Anil Parab, who is a transport minister and very close to the Thackeray family. Even he had mentioned about this 13th party. So obviously this party is well known about to a lot of people, that there is some kind of party that happened on the 13th at Sushant's place. So obviously my father mentioned about that, and as he rightly mentioned in his press conference, at the right time we will surely disclose everything to the right authority.
Right. So are you suggesting then in that case that there's somebody who's trying to scuttle the probe, somebody who's trying to hide these details and save the culprits?
It's obvious, right? Because if the right information is not coming through, if Bihar, those investigation cops are not being given the right information,
Okay.
and the information that we have is very different from what has been showed or told by the Maharashtra and the Mumbai cops. So obviously there is something missing, and there is certain dots that are missing. And at the right time, obviously all the blanks will be fulfilled and the truth will come out. It cannot be hidden.
You know, because Mr. Rane, many would want to know when is that right time going to come, because at this point in time the Bihar police and the Mumbai police are involved in this turf war.
See, you have to understand that this is a very, very important matter, and obviously when certain information has to be shared, it has to go through a right channel.
Okay.
So obviously, as my father is a responsible person, he will do the right thing.